So hello everyone, welcome back to the XPlayVerse Wala series. So this is going to be the last video on the XPlayVerse because right now I'm concluding my project is completed. In future, obviously, if I wish, I will make some development over it. So that will be the minor development, such as implementing a like or a comment functionality or applying the functionality of the followers or following. So before starting, I just remember one code. First make it work, then it can be made beautiful. So this was my mindset while creating the XPlayVerse. My main intention was to make the XPlayVerse a proper functional application, and after that we can update its UI and animations or update it accordingly to make it look beautiful and make the UI UX experience overall better. Okay, so in this video I will walk you through all the features that I have implemented in the XPlayVerse, and I will be using the deployed link which you can find in the comment section or you can find in the description. So there you can go and register right now. So just go and register right now on the XPlayVerse, and for the top 50 candidates I am providing the verified user as free. So just go and register right now. First of all, you can clearly see that I updated the landing page. I will also walk you through each and every feature along with its implementation. I will not walk you through the code base because that's how the stakeholders really care of. That's the actual product or the actual SaaS product that we have created. So I'll walk you through the actual production based XPlayVerse. So let's start. So here you can see this is my overall landing page. Here you can see everything, the features and everything, you can find it out. So first of all, let's go on to the login. So here you can see I have created a proper login page. So the image you are seeing on the right side is taken from the Unsplash. So thanks a lot Unsplash for providing me this. So here you can obviously log in with the Google. I have integrated the Google OAuth. Then you can use email password. Then I use Material UI and the Bootstrap as my main CSS styling. So then you go on to the sign up. You can obviously create a new account, and after that when you create a new account you will be asked for a OTP. So the OTP will be sent via node mailer to a specific mail ID. So we are first of all testing whether the user you have provided is a valid or not, or you are using a dummy mail. So just to prevent from the cyberbullying attacks, I have implemented the OTP based system in our XPlayVerse. So after that, after you are entering the successful OTP, our backend server will validate the OTP, and the OTP will be valid for 5 minutes. So if you are using the expired OTP, then you have to do the following steps again. You have to fill that form again. So right now I can skip this process and we can go into the login page. And now right now I will log in using the Google. Okay, so when we click on the sign up with Google, we get redirected to this page where we have to choose an account. So choose an account to continue on the, so this is my basically the URL for the backend. Right now I'm using the free tier version, so that's the reason why I'm getting such kind of URLs or the name. If I'm using the local host, then I will obviously get the XPlayVerse as a name. So when I will register this as a personal domain, then obviously I will update its name. So right now I will choose an account. Obviously you can go with the normal sign up form also, that is also properly functional. So first of all, let me just walk you through the all pages or the feed section. So here I have created a so here I have updated our text box to use in the markdown format, such as if you are entering any URL, or if you want to add the line spacing, or if you want to do anything, so the way you write the readme.md file in the GitHub, the same way you can write a post. So here I will walk you through like how we can write. So first of all, I am using an H1 to post an hello. It's nice to get into the production app. And here you can also use the upload image. So I will not upload image, but I will just show you how the markdown properly works. So when you click on the post, so here you can see on the left hand side we get a sandbox. So I have also implemented such a small features which will improve the overall UX user experience of the user. So here you can see the H1 I have created was of the is now in the bold and has the more font size, whereas the normal text has got a proper line breaks and all that. And yeah, that's it. So if you go on to it, you can see a slightly pop-up. So basically this also provides a great insight. So when you go on to the that's it. And when you click on the upload image, and if you are uploading an image, and when the image upload is completed, you will get a image uploaded completed status also, and and that button will be replaced with that text. And then when you go on to the squad page, it will take some time, as I also integrated the indexing in the MongoDB just to retrieve the data fast. So the second main feature is our squad page, where you can create multiple rooms. Right now I have a single room, that is a general room, and here on the lower hand side, on the lower side, you can see that based on the last message that we have received or we have retrieved from a MongoDB, we get our smart reply suggestion. So based on the last reply, here you can see that's the energy, let's get it, you got this. So when we click on this, our text box will be autofilled with the same. And when we click on the send, now you will get the another insights or the another suggestion from the app. So here you can see we finally get the another suggestion. So here I have integrated the LangChain and I have used Gemini 2.5 Flask version. Now moving forward to the leaderboard section. So I have also added a small, what we can say, loader, or basically that is from the material UI only, as you have seen on the screen right now. So in the leaderboard I have used the RAWG API, and that is an external API where we get a free, where we can use its free trial version. And then using this I have displayed the top 40 games of this year. So here you can so this API automatically updates the recent games, and I'm using the top 40 games that are trending or has been the top in 2025. So then we have the suggest feature. So here I have also integrated the LangChain concept, and I'm using the Gemini 2.5 Flask version. So here you can ask for any personal suggestion and you will get the result, and you will get the result in the form of the RAWG as well as in the markdown format. So let me just show you as the FPS games like Valorant. Perfect. When we click on the suggest, it will take hardly 30 seconds, or when we click on the suggest, it will take hardly 30 seconds to render. So you can see there are small interactions that I have created, making me as the first user who is going to use it, and making it a production base, just to make the user experience a bit more engaging. So we'll just wait for a while so here you can see we got the AI explanation. Although I have also changed the font, and I think it can be polished, but right now with the overall theme, I think that the font is very perfect for this page. So here we get the explanation of the best matches, then we also get the recommendations. Now the recommendations are then passed as a query to the RAWG API, and then we are getting this games into a suggestion in the RAWG API. Although the RAWG API do not have all the games right now, but still it is helpful and it will give you the overall insight. And thanks a lot to the RAWG API for giving us the free trial. Then we have the profile section. So the profile section is one of my favorite section, because you get your post insights into at the bottom. So here I also use the markdown, that is a React markdown library, you can also use it. And when we delete a post, so here you can see post deleted, we got a sandbox again. Now I also you can edit your profile, you can delete your profile. These are the basic CRUD operation, but XPlayVerse goes beyond the basic CRUD operation. It integrates into the LangChain concepts, AI based suggestions, and other socket based real-time communication. Then the best feature is that you can get a verified account. So when we click on the get verified, obviously you have to pay $1 for the first 50 users who will be registered with. I will give them the verified user as a free. And so that's it. So how I implemented the get verified user is, in the MongoDB I am using a is verified boolean value. So if it is set to true, then the user will be verified, and if it is set to false, the user will be unverified. So at the time of the registration, obviously the user will be set as a false, but at the time you make the payment, then we will get the connection request as a true, and if the page success, then we will set the is verified as a true. So that's the concept over it. I will obviously show you the what we can see verified tag. So here you can see to the official XPlayVerse Wala channel, or the official XPlayVerse account has the verified badge. So when you go over profile section, obviously you will get the verified badge over here also. It will be suggest, and the get verified button will be disabled, and that's it. And when we click on the logout, you will be redirected to the login page. Although it takes some time, because I'm using a free trial version for both the front end as well as back end. So that's what XPlayVerse is about. So right now I'm marking the XPlayVerse as a completed, and you can obviously get the GitHub repository link and the deployed link and the production based link in my description or in the comment section. So looking forward for you, and that's it. We marked as XPlayVerse as a complete, and I hope you will be registering into it very soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya. Till then, peace out.